Hey folks, welcome back to another Throw It On Thursday. Today's a good day. I think it's a good day to make some tuna salad. I was going through my cabinets and found a bunch of cans of tuna that I forgot I had. So I thought I'd make myself some simple tuna salad, but add a few kicks to it. Let's make some tuna salad. Our ingredients include, of course, tuna, mayo, mustard, a little bit of lemon, some red onion, celery, and to add a little kick, we're going to add some grapes and some walnuts. We're going to drain the tuna first. I'm finely chopping a stalk of celery. Or is this a rib of celery? I don't know. This is going to add a nice crunch. Also, those walnuts are going to add a nice crunch too. Now we need a couple tablespoons of finely chopped red onion. Some seedless red grapes, cut pretty small. And now I'm chopping up some walnuts. You can use almonds if you have them. Hey, maybe even cashews. I have some walnuts here. All we need to do now is mix all this stuff together. First the tuna. Mayonnaise. A little bit of mustard. I'm actually using dill mustard to give a little dill kick to it also. Lemon juice. Fresh squeeze would probably be better, but I have this. Celery. Onion. Grapes. And walnuts. If you wanted to just make a plain tuna salad, I would say leave out the grapes, leave out the walnuts. I mean, heck, you could just use mayo and tuna if you wanted. This is smelling exactly like you would expect. It smells a lot like tuna. You can check it out. If you need to add more mayo, add some more mayo. I think I might add a little more mayo to mine. I will have the recipe I used in the description. Feel free to modify. I'm going to give a little bit of a taste, see if I need to add some salt and pepper. I think it's pretty good. With those walnuts being salted, that added the salt. I might add a little pepper to this. Okay, that's looking really good. I'm going to let this rest in the refrigerator for a couple hours to let all those flavors marry together. And then we're going to make ourselves a tuna salad sandwich. Time to make our tuna salad sandwich. Got some nice toasted bread, of course the tuna salad, and a little bit of lettuce and some tomato. Lots of tuna salad. It's the star of the show after all. A bit of lettuce and a couple tomatoes. As always, my favorite part of Throw It On Thursday, where I get to try what I made. Tuna salad with a kick. So many things I'm getting right there. First of all, the tuna, of course. The crunchiness of that walnut and the celery really comes through. And the sweetness of the grapes. Really good. Hey, if you like tuna salad sandwiches, try giving it a couple kicks like this. Really adds a nice touch to it. Thank you so much for once again joining me on this Throw It on Thursday. I really, really appreciate it. I'd also appreciate if you could comment on this video, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hey, it might be nice if you also shared this with a friend. I could use some more subscribers. And also, if you don't know, I will put a link to my Facebook group if you want to join the Rob Mob and just have some fun on Facebook with us. As always, I'm having a really good day. I hope whatever you're doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time. How do I eat this thing? Like a taco?